You know what most business owners don't realize?
Yeah. That annual fire alarm certification isn't just a good idea. It's the law.
You have to do it. Ontario Fire Code says so.
And yet we still hear, oh, I swapped the batteries myself. We're covered.
Right.
Or the duct tape fix.
But seriously, people's lives are on the line. That's why Ideal Fire Protection does real inspections, not shortcuts.
Every detector, every panel, every sprinkler head, it's tested and logged.
Which keeps your business compliant and way safer.
And liability, oh man, skip certification and you're wide open.
Fines, lawsuits, insurance, it's brutal compared to just doing it right.
Ideal Fire Protection handles the whole thing: design, install, test, maintain.
Yeah.
Healthcare, schools, industrial sites, you name it, they've got it covered.
No Band-Aid fixes.
Just certified, code-compliant safety that saves lives and protects your business.
Check them out at idealfireprotection.com.
Because safety isn't optional, it's required.